Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I want to show you the future. Today we're going to be looking at ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence created by Elon Musk's company OpenAI. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So ChatGPT is a prototype artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI which specializes in dialogue. ChatGPT is a large language model, fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. And today we're going to be asking a series of questions to it and have a chat. So let's dive right in. So in order to start using it, first you need to log in, or if you haven't signed up yet, you need to sign up. So let's click on log in. You can continue with Google, continue with Microsoft accounts, or as I said, if you don't have an account, you can sign up just by clicking here. So let's continue with Google for this time. And as you can see, we opened the website. As always, you will find all the links in the description box below. You can see some examples. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? So this is a question form. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? So you can see some examples. You can see its capabilities. Remembers what users said earlier in the conversation. Allows users to provide follow-up corrections. Trained to decline inappropriate requests. And there are some limitations. May occasionally generate incorrect information. May occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. Limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So up until 2021, we might consider it successful, but after 2021, it has limited knowledge of world and events. Now let's start by asking it a question. Let's ask, what is Bitcoin? As you can see, I typed down my question and it started explaining the term. You can pretty much ask anything as long as it's appropriate and you're not trying to ask an inappropriate question. As you can see, it's explaining all the details about Bitcoin. Now you might think that this is no different or special because you can always look it up, what is Bitcoin, on Wikipedia or on other information pages, on other information websites. But now I want to show you something really special. Now let's write down, tell me a story about Bitcoin in the future. So let's hit enter and see if the artificial intelligence can give us a story. As you can see, it started off with saying it's difficult to predict exactly what the future of Bitcoin will be, as it depends on a number of factors such as adoption by merchants and users, government regulations, and technological developments. However, here's a possible scenario how Bitcoin could be used in the future, and as you can see, it's giving us a whole story. In the year 2040, Bitcoin has become a widely accepted form of payment all over the world. Many merchants and online retailers accept it as a form of payment, and it is even used in some physical stores. People use Bitcoin for everyday purchases, as well as for larger purchases such as real estate and cars. The government has also recognized the legitimacy of Bitcoin and has put in place regulations to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. As a result, the use of Bitcoin for illegal purposes has decreased significantly. The value of Bitcoin has also increased significantly over the years, making it a valuable asset for investors. In fact, many people have become wealthy by investing in Bitcoin early on and holding on to it as the value increased. So from this part of the story, it says many people have become wealthy by investing in Bitcoin early on. So if you take into account that the year is 2040, you can say that the people who have become wealthy by investing in Bitcoin early on, this part is important. And as you know, right now we're in 2022, so this means we're early on. Imagine yourself in 2040 and one Bitcoin is equal to $1 million. It might sound like a crazy dream, but it can also be real one day. At least the AI says so. I mean, this is just amazing, isn't it? The AI just wrote the story, and if you would try to look it up on the internet, you wouldn't find this story. It just created this story. Although you can chat with it and it is an amazing tool to get answers to your questions, it doesn't have any feelings. So let's ask it, tell me how you feel, and see its answer. So as you can see, we asked it how it's feeling and it answered, as an artificial intelligence, I do not have feelings in the same way that humans do. I'm a machine designed to process and analyze information and to provide responses to questions and prompts. I do not have personal experiences or emotion. I am programmed to provide helpful and accurate information to the best of my ability. Is there anything else I can help with? Well, yes, there is. Let's ask this AI, what are the 5 most used indicators in crypto? And let's see what it has to say. Now, as you can see, it's explaining. There are many different indicators that can be used in the analysis of cryptocurrency markets. Here are 5 of the most commonly used indicators, and it started with MA, moving average, then RSI, then Bollinger Bands, then on balance volume, OBV, and then lastly, Ishimoku Cloud. You can find all of these indicators videos on our channel, but as you can see, just by asking a simple question, you can learn what all of these indicators are and how you can use them to make profits. And to think that this is just the beginning phase of the artificial intelligence technology is mind-blowing. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see asking more questions about crypto and blockchain to this artificial intelligence and see its responses. We can make a special playlist for artificial intelligence applications and specifically for ChatGPT. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also, make sure to check out our Instagram page because we share very motivational quotes, important information, breaking news, and everything there's to know about crypto world and business world in general. So make sure to check out our Instagram along with our other social media accounts from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.